everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a camper van that combines luxury, practicality, and adventure-ready versatility, the Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo Horizon. If you love the idea of a stylish, well-equipped camper but still need a vehicle that works for everyday life, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Marco Polo Horizon looks a lot like the premium Mercedes-Benz V-Class, and that's because it's built on the same platform. The streamlined body, bold front grille, and high-end LED lighting give it a refined yet sporty appearance. Unlike larger motorhomes, this camper van maintains a compact profile, making it just as comfortable cruising through city streets as it is heading out on a long road trip. Moving inside, this is where the Horizon truly stands out. It's designed to be incredibly flexible, making it ideal for both camping trips and daily use. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the seating capacity. Depending on the configuration, you can have up to 7 seats, which is perfect for families or groups who want a vehicle that adapts to different needs. The interior feels upscale with premium upholstery, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Now let's talk about sleeping arrangements. The pop-up roof is a game changer, offering a spacious upper sleeping area with a comfortable mattress, perfect for 2 people. Meanwhile, the rear bench seats can fold down into an additional sleeping space, allowing up to 4 people to rest comfortably. With large windows and optional panoramic views, the cabin feels bright and open, making it an inviting place to relax after a day of exploring. One key difference between the Horizon and the standard Marco Polo model is the kitchenette, or rather, the lack of one. The Horizon focuses on maximizing space and seating flexibility, so it skips the built-in kitchen found in the full Marco Polo version. But don't worry, there's still plenty of storage for camping gear, a portable fridge, and even an optional fold-out table to create a convenient dining or workspace setup. Now, onto performance. The Marco Polo Horizon is powered by a range of efficient diesel engines, offering smooth, responsive driving. The available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides extra traction, making it a great option for those who like to venture off the beaten path. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures a refined ride, whether you're on highways, city streets, or winding mountain roads. And with Mercedes-Benz advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a high-resolution MBUX infotainment system, you get a driving experience that's as intuitive as it is secure. So, what makes the Marco Polo Horizon special? First, its versatility. This is a vehicle that works as both a stylish daily driver and a fully functional camper, offering the best of both worlds. Second, its build quality. Mercedes-Benz has a reputation for luxury and durability, and this model is no exception. Finally, it's a fantastic option for those who love road trips, but don't necessarily need a full-fledged motorhome. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or embarking on a longer adventure, the Horizon provides comfort and convenience without the bulk of a traditional. So, is the Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo Horizon the right camper van for you? If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and adventure-ready vehicle that doesn't compromise on everyday usability, this could be the perfect travel companion. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this on your next road trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.